Assalamu alaikum. Here we will discuss about the mandibular nerve, which is also called the V3 or the third division of trigeminal nerve, and it is a mixed nerve, means it has both sensory and motor parts. The sensory root of V3 emerges from the pons and enter the trigeminal ganglion, just like the V1 and V2, while the motor root does not enter the ganglion, right? And after exiting from the trigeminal ganglion, they both merges and they enter into a foramen which is called foramen ovale, right? After exiting from foramen ovale, it again enter into a foramen which is called foramen spinosum, right? From foramen spinosum, it moved toward the meninges and supply there, right? And actually, from exiting the foramen ovale, it has two pathway. One pathway enter into the foramen spinosum and supply the meninges, and the other pathway of the mandibular nerve come downward and divided into two division, anterior division and the posterior division, right? So anterior division supply the muscles of mastication, right? So what are the muscles of mastication? There are four muscles of mastication: masseter, temporalis muscle, medial pterygoid, and the lateral pterygoid. So these muscles of mastication are supplied by the anterior division of mandibular nerve, while the posterior division of mandibular nerve gives three branches: auriculotemporal nerve, lingual nerve, and the inferior alveolar nerve, right? So the auriculotemporal nerve supply the parotid gland. The lingual nerve supply the anterior 2/3 of tongue. But this is not the taste sensation. It is only the general sensation of the tongue. Special taste sensation is supplied by the facial nerve, right? And the inferior alveolar nerve, it supply the teeth, right? So it was all about the mandibular nerve. Thank you.